tofauti. Ishi kifalme. Nunua laini mpya ya Royal kutoka Halotel leo na upate punguzo la zaidi ya 70% kupiga simu ndani na nje ya nchi. Internet yenye kasi zaidi na bila kikomo kwa mwezi mzima. Dakika 420 kupiga simu mitandao yote. Halotel, pamoja katika ubora.
Hello, my name is Patrick Mususa. I'm the Executive Director of the Tanzania Institute of Bankers. And with me is Damas Mugashi, who is the Director of Finance at the Tanzania Institute of Bankers. In short, the institution is called TIOB. We are proud to announce the soon to launch and to be conducted East African Banking School, an annual banking conference, which is a week-long event which will take place in Arusha from the 12th to the 16th of August. This is an annual event. It's an annual and regional East African community event that is prepared and conducted in collaboration with our sister institutes of bankers in Kenya and Uganda. The three institutes, Kenya Institute of Bankers, Uganda Institute of Banking and Financial Services, and Tanzania Institute of Bankers, every year for the last 18 years have been arranging and conducting the East African Banking School in the third quarter of every year. And every year we have been hosting 100 participants from all types of institutions which provide financial services. This year we are proud to host financial institutions that go beyond banking, that come from telecommunications, that come from insurance, that come from pensioners, that come from banking technology service providers. So all walks of financial service providers, including regulators. We have professional speakers who come from industry, who are former heads of organizations, heads of regulatory authorities, and who are also current heads of financial institutions that provide solutions, including payment solutions and financial solutions. The theme for this banking school this year is one that is close to the heart of the Bank of Tanzania. As a representative of the authority that presides over all financial transactions, the topic of ethics, the agenda of ethics has been a prevalent theme in the country's transformations as of recent. And our theme for this year's banking school touches on ethics because it has also been relevant in the larger East African region, noting Kenya and Uganda, as well as Rwanda for a long period of time. We are touching on ethics and its role in the digital era of financial services, and looking at various subtopics within this theme, which touch on the role of the regulator in the way technology is developed, the role of ethics in and how it is upheld by corporate governance structures that are in place to make sure that operational management of financial institutions is sound, and also lessons from recent tech scandals that have happened in the larger globe, and looking at what we can learn from these scandals and main events, key events such as cryptocurrency and other disruptions to financial transactions. So we hope to host you, or to tell you more about what is going to proceed in the coming banking school. We are fortunate to have been able to host, to be able to host this time around the same number of 100 participants coming from all types of financial institutions. And we hope that we can come back to you with outcomes that meaningful ideas and products of fruitful deliberations amongst professional financial service providers who are also insurers, who are also fund managers, who are also lenders, who are also telecommunications and mobile payments providers, to come back with ideas and products of fruitful deliberations to help contribute to the national dialogue and the regional dialogue.
We believe that you're going to enjoy yourself in Arusha. The presentations will cover varieties of topics, and the presenters are coming from across the East African region, particularly Uganda, Tanzania, and Kenya. And we have got some representatives from Dubai and India. So we're going to be sharing the range of topics from human resources management, technological innovations in the banking and financial sector, management of teams in the banking and financial sectors as well, and some experiences of applications of algorithm and artificial intelligences. So the coverage is big, and participants are going to take home a lot of knowledge. They will share about what is taking place, practically what is taking place across the African countries in terms of financial services providing and IT management in the banking and financial sectors. So we believe you're going to enjoy yourself, and I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all of the sponsors from our stakeholders, particularly the CRDB Bank, the CBA, Commercial Bank of Africa, and the UBA, and other stakeholders who have assisted us morally and financially to make sure that we arrange this exciting event for you and other stakeholders to enjoy and take home about 12 topics which are going to be presented from 12th to 16th of August this year. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be you're going to be enjoying as a person who's going to be participating, and those who are not going to be participating will get from our media of what we have deliberated, and definitely take them back to the institutions they serve to assist them to manage their work better.
Subscribe MCL Digital.